Let me just take you through what exactly we have done here. And we have done a kitchen woodwork here, and this is a parallel kitchen. So let me just take you through what exactly we have achieved in this kitchen. So if you see in this kitchen, it's a combination of white and wood finish, and this just two colors, and we have a grey granite on the top as a countertop. If you see here, we started the chimney. We have left 3 feet of space for the chimney, and then we have storage in the above. Let me just take you through what exactly we have done on the lower cabinets. If you see here, this is a thali basket which we have planned here. The accessories which has been used is from Hetic. And if you see here, the first one is a cutlery unit, a large cutlery unit, and the make is Blum. We have the second one for more storage, that's a 6-inch, and the third one for larger storage, about 40 kgs of weight capacity. And if you come to the rightmost part of the kitchen, we have 2 shutters, large shutters which we have used here, and with a single shelf. That's for more storage for utensils. And coming to the upper cabinet, so if you see the upper cabinets, we have some open shelves, and we have a 3 feet cabinet instead of a normal 2 feet. And this is a 2-door shutter, and you see a lot of storage here. This is 3 shelves inside, and this is the wood finish what we have used, and this we purposely kept it open for the look of the kitchen. And again we have just above the washing machine utility, we have these 2 shelves which is for more storage again. And then you may see that the height of this counter is more than the kitchen, because we're going to push in the washing machine inside and it will be concealed, and you have this granite countertop on top of it. For for more storage, it can be a microwave or anything here. So this is one part of the kitchen. Now we are on the other side of the kitchen. Let me just take you through what exactly we have done. If you see this kitchen, it's a wooden flooring which we have done for the kitchen, and it's a waterproof wooden flooring what we have used. And on the upper area, we have 2-door shutters. If you see, the height of the shutters is about 3 feet. That is for more storage. Inner storage, you have 3 shelves here. So that's the best part of this kitchen. We got a lot of storage here on the upper cabinets as well. The typical one are 2 feet, but we have a 3 feet upper cabinet here. And everything is soft close. Again, we have given open shelves at this area. And coming to the tile part, if you see the tile, this is a handmade tile what we have used here. So we have removed the existing tile which was there from the developer and put in a new tiling here. And if you see the countertop is grey in color, and this is quartz made, and this we have fabricated and installed it here. And coming to the lower part of the kitchen, we have this single shutter. This is space for the gas cylinder, temporary gas cylinder. And then we have this large 2 tandem boxes for more storage. What we have here is a beautiful utility, and what we have done here is a few things which we have bought for the utility. The granite was given by the developer. We have just built the base cabinet here for more storage. On our upper unit, we have this beautiful racks. We call the sink rack basically, and this is for your utensils and stuff, and all your knives and everything can be placed here. I will exactly show you how this will be how this looks once this is done. So if you look at this particular one, this is for more storage. This is for your knives and everything to be placed in the kitchen. This is for your cutting board and stuff. So this is a very neat setup for the utility, and this you could have in all the kitchens, and you can store most of the things here in the utility itself. Guys, so we have done a beautiful crockery unit in this dining area of L&T Boulevard, which is a 3-bedroom apartment in Hebbal. And if you see here, this is the glass shutters, and inside is the storage. So we have this beautiful profile shutters, I would call it, and with the tinted glass, and a lot of storage here. And if you see, we have got the light concealed as well inside, and we also have about 4 drawer system at the bottom. And if you see, this is for more storage again in the crockery unit. So this is a beautiful crockery unit what we have designed for the client, and it's a tinted glass. This is on the leftmost part of this crockery unit, and then we have this upper part. We have this beautiful metal structure here, and wood which has been placed. And then if you see, we have the base cabinet here, and if you see, this is all touch to open. We have given 2 storage system below, and then an open shelf on the leftmost part. So, and this is executed in L&T Boulevard. And if you want to do something on the same lines, do get in touch with us. I'll leave my I'll leave my details in the description with my WhatsApp number. You can always get in touch with us. And then hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.